Hi guys, this is Sharmukh Shangaon. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how Sankranti festival is celebrated. And Sankranti is the one of the popular festival in India. So I decided to show how it will celebrate in our locality in this video. Watch the video till end and don't skip the video. If you guys are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. And let's start the video. Generally, Sankranti will celebrate 3 days. First day was Bogi, second day was Makara Sankranti, and third day was Kanuma. So I will show you detailedly. So tomorrow was Bogi. I will show how Bogi will celebrate. So I will catch you tomorrow. Hello guys, the time was around morning 4 o'clock. I just woke up now. During the time of Bogi festival, we have to wake up before the sunrise and we have to light the bonfire. So for that we have to get ready first. So let's go and ready. Here is the some things I have to show to you. This is 4 flour and this is a liquid which we made by using neem leaf, which is in very bitter in taste, and we have to drink this with empty stomach. For this Bogi festival we have to bath in a traditional way, like that we have to, I show you right, like that we have to take that 4 flour and we have to apply through our whole body and then we have to bath. It's a very interesting, at least once in a year we have to bath like this. Don't be afraid guys, I just applied that 4 flour whole my body with the help of my mom. So yeah. Don't be afraid. After that we have to bath and we have to get ready. Time is running so fast, we have to go there and we have to light the bonfire. So I will meet you after my bath. So let's go. I will catch you after some time. Yeah, finally I was ready. Everybody want to know, like, why do we light this bonfire? Because we have been soaking up the cold and receive heat from the sun from now. So that's why we do this bonfire. It's already late, so let's go to the bonfire and let me take some old furniture, old wood. Like, why I was taking this old wood, old kind of things from my home, I will tell you meanwhile. Let's go. In this order we have to set a bonfire by using the old wood, old furniture in our home, and then after that we have to light this bonfire. As I told before, I will tell like why I am taking this old wood, old furniture from home. The main message of this bonfire was we have to throw our old ideas in this bonfire and we have to live with a new ideas from now. That's the main message of this bonfire. From now onwards we have to throw the old ideas and we have to be in a good mood with the present. And I wish you a very happy Bogi to everyone. Hello guys, welcome to the day 2 of Sankranti festival, and it's known as Makara Sankranti, and this is the popular festival in India. So generally this Makara Sankranti will come on 14 or 15 of January according to the solar cycle. This time it came on Jan 15 in 2022. And the special part of this festival was it will celebrate in different parts of India with different names. Everyone enjoy this festival a lot because during this festival we used to fly kites, which is very memorable to us because once in a year we will fly kites at this time only. It will very memorable to us. And the next part was we used to go to see cockfight. Yeah, cockfight is really a good experience for us because generally whole year we did not even see a single cockfight, but now we have an opportunity to see the cockfight. One more good thing about this festival was relatives comes to our home and mom used to prepare very good tasty food for us, and everyone be together, and whole year we will go for here and we will do work, we will study, but at this time every family member spend time together, which is very cherishful. Today I will show you what things will going to happen this day. Ready? Let's go. Just now I came out from my home. Here you can see somewhat rangolis here. During this festival so many people will draw rangoli in front of their home. It's a very good to see such type of rangoli in front of our home, and the main part was they used to apply colors too. It is very beautiful to see. And after the completing of this rangoli, we will see some cow dung at the center of that rangoli, which is our traditional. As for now, me and my cousins are getting ready for flying kites. It will be a bit of exciting for us, and let's see how it will fly. As of now, me and my cousins are doing some preparation to fly kites, like tying thread to the kite which help that to fly.
A few moments later.
Since so much time we are waiting for air to come to fly kite, but it's not coming, and we are trying our level best to fly kites, but it won't happening. So let's see how much time it will take. We have been trying so many times, but it won't flying a lot, but we have to try. But it used to take around 20 to 30 minutes. Now it's flying. Let's see. Since so long we are flying kites, now we are tired enough, so let's go and have some good food. These are the delicious food items which prepared by my mom during this festival. I will explain detailedly about these food items. Let's go. The name of this item is rose cookie. It is very crispy and sweet in taste. It looks like flower shape, so that's why it's called rose cookie. And this is jentukulu, and also known as murukulu in different place, and this is made up of rice flour, and it is very crispy in taste. And this is the sweet item which I like the most, and the name of this sweet item is urad laddu. It generally made with urad dal and ghee. It gives so good taste. And finally, the name of this item is jentukulu, and which is very spicy in taste. These are all the food items which prepared by my mom during this festival, which I love the most. Just now I completed my food. Now this is the time to go and watch cockfight. So let's go. Hi guys, welcome to the day 3 of Sankranti festival and the last day of Sankranti festival, which is known as Kanuma. I will show you what will happen in this day, so let's go. We will do puja on that way, like we will take a banana leaf first, and after that we will take the raw food items which we farm this year, like rice, vegetables of different kinds and fruits, and we just put it over on the banana leaf and ask our ancestors to bless us with a good crop again this year. And after completing puja, we will cook these raw items as a good food and eat on this banana leaf. After some time, we used to cook like this with the help of that raw vegetables. So here we can see rice, and here the vegetable curry which we used to cook once in a year with the help of all vegetables together, and parmanam which is very compulsory at this festival, and we used to prepare with the milk and rice. So in this way we celebrate Sankranti festival, which is of 3 days. I hope you guys also enjoy this our Sankranti festival. So if you guys enjoyed, don't forget to subscribe. And this is Shanmukh Shanagam signing off.